First of all, congratulations to Kaintal School for completing its 25 years. Talking about my journey with Kaintal School, I consider it pivotal in my growth into the person I am today. I would like to express my gratitude to all the teachers who helped me in those 15 years to become the person who I am today and to prepare me for the outer world. It is because of their help and efforts that I have been able to clear my medical entrance test and get admission into GMC Patiala in the first attempt only. I'm always gonna miss those annual functions, assemblies, bus rides with so many memories, and the competitions. So, yeah, it was a learning experience for sure. Thank you so much, Kaintal.